Let me go to Bob in Pennsylvania. Hey, Bob.
Hello?
Yes, Bob.
Yes, Dan. I have basically two questions. The first question is this. As the market adjusts itself, which I'm very ignorant about, I just started investing in the markets under your website there, and I am a member. As that adjusts itself, what do you suspect the real estate market is going to do, especially in the rental area?
Okay. So what I would say, Bob, is the real estate market in the rental area is going to stay relatively stable during a market correction, unless the market correction is prolonged, and meaning that we head back into recession. Then the real estate market is going to be impacted just from the mere fact that you're going to have more people unemployed. So you're going to have a smaller pool of renters to draw from. And yes, you might have to tweak the rents down a bit, but that's the impact. If you had real estate property, rental property that was paid for, I wouldn't be concerned. I would keep it, and I wouldn't be worried about it. And I don't think you're going to be affected a whole lot. But the risk in rental property, the risk in real estate, is the loss of renters. So if you have a property worth $200,000, you're never going to take the $200,000 right now in this environment, in my opinion, and get the same monthly return that you're getting from rent. It's a great income stream, and it's a great investment for income. So I don't think the downturn is going to in the market is going to immediately impact the rental market at all. Could prices or values of a home come down? Sure, a little bit, as the mortgage market might get hit. But all in all, I think you'd be okay. The only thing you're worried about is recession and people going out of work. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does. And one other question, Dan. I listened to you, and you talk about having a reserve cash, and that's good. Should a reserve cash with in my situation where I have a sustainable amount of real estate paid for, should my cash reserve be higher than normal in case there's a rental problem?
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. It's the best thing you could do, to have a little bit higher reserves. And, I think you can allow that to fluctuate a little bit when we see, when we're coming out of a depression and things look good for the next 15 years or growing for the next 15 years. But yes, you should absolutely have some higher reserves. Definitely, Bob.